Colonial Brewery started in about 2004 back in the Margaret River wine region in southwest Western Australia. We took over this Port Melbourne site in 2015 from a different brewing company that moved on, and we've been expanding here ever since. Since we've taken over this site, we've grown considerably. We started out doing a few hundred cartons a day to now doing several thousand cartons a day on a full production day. Through that time, we've had to look at automation and different upgrades for reliability as well as production output. When we first started canning here, we were doing approximately 4,000 to 5,000 cans per hour, and it was a very manual process with manual six packing, manual case packing, and manual palletising. As we've had to grow, we've reached the limits of what that can achieve. We've had to look at major production upgrades for an automation to continue keeping up with supply.
Fibre King provided us with a new depalletiser for the empty cans coming into our filler, which is more than 2 times faster than the original one we had, which unlocked the full capacity of our filling unit pre-existing, and then they worked around that to provide all of our back end. They were very creative with making a twin stream 6-pack and 4-pack applicator, which then feeds into our WAP 20 case packer, which is Wraparound box packer, does about 14 cases per minute, which then goes through a spiral conveyor and feeds up to an overhead conveyor into our CP20 palletizer. With our full line, we're getting an average run speed of about 10,000 cans per hour with a maximum speed of 14,000 an hour. Vast improvement on our previous, which was averaging about 7,000 cans per hour. The equipment has vastly improved our run speeds. We're seeing the ability to keep our oxygen lower in can, and by running much faster than we used to be able to get more done in the day. It's unlocked further capacity for us as a brewery as a whole. Coming into summer in the busy periods, when we're normally under the pump and struggling, we should be able to comfortably get through safely and efficiently. Overall, major quality improvements for us. Our wastage has decreased from about 3 to 4% can wastage over a run and volume wastage down to about 1% or less. And our box and cardboard wastage is down by about 30 to 40 boxes over a 4,000 carton run.
Our original line would be 3 to 4 people to run at maybe 4,000 cans per hour average speed. But with our latest upgrades, we're looking at more like 12 to 14,000 cans per hour with 2 people. So as we've grown, we've managed to keep the same people but create a larger output by automating the manual processes and allowing the people to focus more on the technical task of maintaining good beer quality rather than just putting 6-packs in boxes. We looked at other companies, but we chose Fibre King in the end because they were able to fit our needs end to end. Some of the other companies were able to help outsource some equipment, but we really wanted one manufacturer to do everything. We could install it all together, have it integrate well together, and have one point of call if we had issues later down the track. We found Fibre King really good to work with. Their technical staff that came out here to help us install it were amazing. We had an existing line to integrate with, so we were trying to run the old line while building the new one, and they were more than accommodating, helping us to develop our systems and develop our new equipment whilst working around our production schedule. And that was probably one of the best things they could have done because we're an active brewery and we couldn't just stop to install this new equipment. We had to keep it running, and they were excellent in helping us achieve that.